Good afternoon. Welcome back to an episode of Dev Diaries. It's been a long time since Phantasma been down. Haven't been able to work on a chain like I wanted to. But today we're going to make this short, sweet, and simple. I'm going to show you how to download the SDKs within Unity so you can get to developing games on the Phantasma blockchain. So to make it simple, if you don't trust what I have, you will go to the Phantasma GitHub, go down, scroll down till you see their Unity SDK. Click on the Unity SDK. You can add code right here. Copy this to clipboard. You want to add this right now. You can't get this whole Unity SDK into here, and I'll show you what I mean. So if you go here, you try to install from Git URL and you post what I just gave you. You'll see it's going to say installing, and then you'll see the error on the console right here. Error adding package, right? So you have an error adding that package. This is how you add the package. So you go here, GitHub URL, right? I'm going to show you based on the GitHub URL. So you're going to go here. Wait a minute. Let's go to Phoenix Unity Core, right? You're going to have to download these two separately. You'll see this right here. You can just do this from tree main. You can just do that right there. This, then you want to say path is equal to, right? This right here will download that Phantasma Unity Core. So you will copy this. I'm just going to put that into GitHub. You see, I already got it anyway. So I'll just paste this right here so you can kind of see. My bad. So you'll see it right here. Install from what I just told you, path/Phantasma Phoenix Unity Core. I'm going to redo this one. Let me just install this one. Install from Git URL. I'm going to install it like this. I'm going to install that. Please wait. Installing package. And you'll see this right here. And now you'll see the package on here. And you can do the same for this one. Just put the path variable on there. Once you have that, you can just verify. Just go to your project. You can go to Phantasma Core. Right down here under assets, go to package. Let me go to packages. Let me get this out the way. Packages, scroll down. You should see Phantasma Phoenix Core and Phantasma Phoenix Link Client. And now you have those two packages installed on Unity.